So today we are discussing about two chatbots. One is uh, ChatGPT, which was released 6 months back, like in November, and this one November 2022 by OpenAI, and this one recently 2 months back it was released by. This is still in experimental version, and this BARD by Google. So basically, we have two comparing two chatbot. One is ChatGPT by OpenAI, the other one is BARD by Google. Okay, so we will see that what are the advantages of using BARD, right? So I have like you can see from the thumbnails 10 points we will see here that BARD can do but ChatGPT can't do. So here the first one, let's start with the first one. The first one is it can access the any article. So here any website, any, so let's write here, let's see here in NY Times, and see uh, this is yes, so this one is one article related to uh, homeless in San Diego, but I'm not able to access this because it is paid version. So you can see that it is paid, so I'm not able to access it. So but still let's try whether it can do it. So first let's do it in ChatGPT. Summarize this article. Okay, so we're asking ChatGPT, and the same thing we are writing here. So it is saying, I apologize, but AI language I can't. After September 2022, I have no access of internet. So let's see whether it can do it. So we are in the BARD. So Google BARD, the article, yeah, it summarizes the article. So let's see whether it can summarize. We even go further. So can you write the summary of each paragraph? Okay, so let's see whether it can do it. Okay, yes, so it is writing here here paragraph 1. So it is introducing the character and the place San Diego. In the second paragraph, Abdul moves to California. Yes, so it is point wise, it is total 5 paragraph is there, and it is just summarizing all the paragraph. So it's good. I am not able to access New York Times article, but here I can give the, see here it is paid, so it cost around 1,000 rupees per month. And see here it summarizes. Now let's go further. It's very interesting because this is paid article. I don't think it will be I mean it will be there for a long time, because it has some legal aspect and other aspect, right? So here see in ChatGPT it's not possible. In BARD we are let's see here, can we go if further here? So we are writing can you describe each paragraph in detail? Okay, now let's say it's interesting whether it can get all the information about the paid article here. So let's see here. Yes, so paragraph 1, see here. So it is talking about, it is giving the detailed information, right? So see here, and this is paid article. And okay, so this is one thing. Now let's go to the next point. So next point we can say that so let's try for the weather update. So can you write the current weather condition in Pune? Okay, so can you write the current weather condition in Pune? So let's and do the same thing here. No, again it is not able to do it. It is saying it's I can't do it. Now let's see whether this one can. Bard can do it. Google Bard can do it. Yes, so it is saying, sure, the current weather condition in Pune is 33 degrees centigrade. Yes, exactly. It's true. So it is giving pretty accurate information. So so this is the second point we are discussing what that uh, Bard can do, but ChatGPT can't do, right? So now let's go to the third one. Third one is what is the so we can in Bard we can access the GitHub code. So we can, so let's try with one. It can so can you explain the GitHub code of yellow? No, it's a new object detection model here. So can you explain the GitHub code of so let's see what give information, and the same thing we can, yes, so yes, it is saying is your GitHub code neural network NS and here are some key features. So it has the information about YOLO-NAS model. Now right, let's write here. Let's check whether they have the information of. Can you tell who introduced yellow? So let's see. So yeah, it is not giving the information. It is just writing the general information about yellow, and it is not writing. I recommend referring to recent research paper, and but it is not giving uh, the information. So again here ChatGPT failed, but Bard you can see it gives the right information, right? So this is number 3. Now number 4 that we can that we can use here for the Bard is it. You can see here one big advantage of using Bard is here you will get here, see, view other drafts. So all the drafts you can get here. So not only one version. See here you are getting just only one whatever write-up is here, but for all the prompt you are getting 3 draft here, and more than that if you want you can so here see, so this is the version 2 and this is version 3. So this is not it's the case for the chat gpt, and here you can see even you can generate even more. So see here, so it has multiple drafts. So you have the option, if you don't like one you can try for the another one. Okay, so see here, yes, so it is giving you even better information. So the advantage here is you can have the multiple draft, right? So this is number 4. Now we are going to number 5. So number 5 is it has the voice prompt option. So see here, it is newly introduced use microphone. You can use my microphone to enter the prompt here. So and there is nothing like in like voice prompting here in chat gpt. You have to write the text. So this is number 5. In number 6 we can see that you can whatever the information, the output we have here, we can export it to Gmail. So we can write the same thing. We can whatever we get here we can write in Gmail, right? So see here, we can, I am sending it to my other email ID, so we can send it, right? So this is the another one. And in the same way because it's a Google product, so so it can, the next one is number 7. We can say, so we can export it to Google Doc, right? So it is automatically with one click you can get all the information. You can save it in Google Docs. So that was number 7. Number 8 is we can say that we can go directly, it can take you directly to the Google search, and it is giving you some better option also, that you're gonna ask which darknet is used in yellow. So all these things are, it is helping. So, and if we suppose I am going with this search here, it is taking you to Google search, right? So this is this is one advantage here, that we don't have to come out of the this chatbot, right? So everything it is you can send it to Gmail, you can save it to Google Doc. So these are the advantages here. Now we will go to we can go to 9, and that is uh, if we close this one, if we close this, and again both the chatbot, and if we suppose here uh, and again want to access, so again want to access Bard, then it's very simple. Just if you're it is connected to Gmail, it is very simple. But this is not the case for the ChatGPT. You have to go for the extra step. You can see here, you have to log in every time, and you have to get access from the Gmail or Microsoft account, right? So this is one extra step here needed. So in Google, it's a Google, just it is one step here, and here you can see that you have to access into a step here. So this is one advantage of Bard. Now the last one I will say, that with one click you can access all the other Google product, right? Mostly we are working in Google search, Gmail, Maps, YouTube. So all these things you can see here, with one click you can access. So this is what thinking to discuss with you, that Bard is having so many advantages. So this is just 10 advantages, and but we can summarize it like, mainly there are two things that separate here Bard and ChatGPT. So one is, we can say that it is Bard is connected to, one advantage of Bard is it is connected to internet, so it has all the data of internet, live data. And but ChatGPT doesn't have the live data. It has the data up to September to 2021. That's what it writes, right? The second one is it can be, it's being a Google product. Bard being a Google product, you can access all the other products like Gmail, YouTube seamlessly.